How to fix laptop battery not charging issue. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, make sure that your charger is securely connected and check the charging cable and power adapter for any visible damage. If possible, you can try different charger that's compatible with your laptop. Now after that, restart your laptop and check if the battery starts charging. If the issue still continues, right-click on the Start menu, open up Device Manager, and then inside here you want to go ahead and simply expand Batteries. Right-click on Microsoft AC Adapter, then select Uninstall Device. After that, do the same process for this one as well. Now, you want to go ahead and restart your laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the battery drivers. You should even install the latest version of updates on your Windows and check your laptop manufacturer support website for any BIOS or battery driver updates. If your battery still isn't charging after trying these steps, the battery or charger needs to be replaced. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.